Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Genaray Crux CR10B. Now, this is a 10-inch bicolor LED, perfect for studio lighting depending on your actual given use. In my case, it seems to be a perfect fit. It's affordable. You can find it right now at B&H. I think it's usually on sale for around $170 US. Same over at Amazon. And I think B&H right now is throwing in the 7-inch version and just charging a higher rate, something about $230. So in a sense, you're really paying for that 7-inch version. But bear in mind that the 10-inch you're looking at here today that I'm unboxing does have a range of 3,000 to 5,600 K. So it's nice to have a bicolor panel that does give you a very diffused light, no matter what temperature you're looking for. It is still a floodlight in a sense. Of course, this can be mounted. It does have an integrated transmitter and receiver system so that you can sync this up with other CR10s and essentially have them, of course, displaying the same light across. I'm not sure how many can link up, but for the two I'll be using right now, it'll be more than enough. And by the way, I am actually using one for this video. Of course, once this other CR10B gets in there, it'll be even better. You can use this battery powered. They do include a battery you're going to see in a moment, or just hook it up with the AC plug, which is the way I've got it tethered right now, just because of positioning. Nothing really else to show you on the box. I'll flip it over, but I don't believe there's anything else. Just essentially giving you, some standard specs. Again, that 3,000 to 5,600 K and 100% dimmable, and the 95 CRI rating. So LED, here are your box contents, your LED with yoke, the Sony NPF battery type, which is what it leans on, a battery charger with a power cord, an AC adapter with power cord, carry case, and a user manual. So I think there are somewhere around 120 LEDs on this, but either way, it perfectly fits my needs for a low profile, modern solution. Let's get it out of the box. And, for me personally, B&H was the quickest way to get it here. That's not going to be the case for all of you. We'll see if this scissors still has the ability to cut this. But I really do like its form factor, just about everything about it. It does get hot, but we expect that of lights. And I'm not even opening this the right way, but welcome to Ed's World of Unboxing. Apparently I didn't even have to break a seal, and here I am trying to chop it up. But you do need to break a seal, so I'm not totally lost, am I? Let's just hope it's not on both sides, shall we? So let's see, maybe I don't have to break a seal, I'll just slide right out. And that is exactly what has happened, among other things. I felt something else drop there, but not too worried. So this is the carry case, which, along with the dust from China, has made its way here to my studio. And get a little bit of that junk off of there. And go ahead and undo the Velcro grip and get down to business. So again, you can find alternatives that are much more expensive than the Crux we're looking at here. I just don't see why you would. So you've got your battery right here, which apparently has come with some kind of hair. But your battery right there, and forgive me if things are overblown here on the right side, because that's where my lighting is. This actually looks like it has some wear, so I'm going to have to speak to B&H about that. This was supposed to be brand new, but from the way it's looking, I am wondering if this is actually a new product. But I'll know when I set it up and test it. You have your Crux light here, of course the user manual right there. And this is the whole panel, which is what I really like about this product, is that it is low profile, can go just about anywhere. It syncs with multiple units, battery operated. You can, of course, as I'm using it now, plug it in directly to the wall, to, a socket. So very versatile, and again, low profile, produces a lot of light, the type of light you want for traditional studio lighting. And again, you have that bicolor range. Now, in terms of what else is in the package, we have the power cord right there, battery charger, which is still sealed, but I'm gonna look into the other one that I got as well. Make sure this looks like it actually is new. The power cord for the actual power brick right there. See, this does not appear. Maybe it is new. But so that's the power brick you'd want to use to actually, in conjunction with this, to tie into the Crux 10B. And then in the event you wanted to go battery operated, you just pop this into here, charge it with this in the wall, and you'd be good to go. So that pretty much covers it. Again, this is right now my light of choice for studio lighting. Trying to upgrade things here. For those of you wondering where I've been, I've had some issues. Still fallout from the hurricane. I hate to say it because I don't enjoy saying it ever. But we're almost there, folks. Studio's coming together. Soon you'll see me on camera, which hopefully will be a good thing. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Again, this, in my opinion, is the best bang for the buck right now for studio lighting on the go, as well as, of course, in the studio. It's just really effective and affordable and fits every need that I could possibly desire. And hopefully, in your case, this video helps. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button, and as usual, please feel free to subscribe. Later.